Welcome to this tutorial on enabling the passenger review feature in LimoExpress. This feature is crucial if your company wants to get a different perspective on operations. To enable this feature, start by logging into the LimoExpress platform. Once logged in, navigate to the side menu on the left and head to the Administration section. From there, select Organization. Scroll all the way down and locate the Settings button at the bottom of the page. Click on Advanced Settings to open up additional options for customizing your company's preferences. On the Advanced Settings page, look for the Passenger Review option and toggle it on to activate this feature. Once enabled, passengers will be able to provide feedback after their rides, which will be sent directly to your management team. After enabling the review feature, head back to the Calendar view in the Rides section. To prompt a review, mark the ride as done. It's important to ensure that you've added the passenger's email address when creating the ride. As soon as you mark the ride complete, an email will automatically be sent to the passenger, inviting them to leave a review. Once the passenger submits their review, you'll receive an email notification with their feedback.